Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your currency on Steam. Now, as you can see here, guys, I'm on Steam and I'm going to walk you through how to do this. And on top of that, I'm going to give you a lot more valuable information that you may see or may not see in other videos or guides that you'll find beneficial. So let's jump in. So once you're on Steam, you can easily do this by changing your country or region. And to do this, all you have to do is just look towards the upper right hand side where you have your profile or your name. Click the drop down there and go to your account details. Now under your account details, guys, you will see your wallet, and towards the right hand side, you will see the option that says update store country. Keep in mind, if you click on that, you can update your country from here and it's gonna affect the currency of your particular region. So if you change this to a different country, then let's say I'm currently in America and I want to update it to somewhere in Europe, then it will start to show euros. Otherwise, if I'm in another country or whatever, it's going to show that currency. Currently, you can see mine is currently in euro. So, and that is because I'm currently in Europe. Now, if I want to change this to United States, so it show USD, then I would click on the update, store country. Then from here, you want to contact the Steam support. And once you click on that, it's going to take you over to this page here where you want to go ahead and click contact Steam support. Go ahead and basically select the country that you're currently in. So if you're in America, if I want to do United States, then I will have to scroll down and look for United States in the list, or UK or wherever it may be, and I will be able to actually change that. So you just want to go ahead and look for the country and basically send them the message that you like to update your region or country, and basically that will reflect in the currency that you'll see on your Steam account. Now, I want to share with you some additional information as I mentioned. So I've done some extra digging here and search on Google, thanks to Gemini, which provide some really valuable insights and all the information that you need to know when updating your country to change your currency. So it basically mentioned here that in order to change your currency, you need to contact the Steam support. That's what I've just shown you, right? And it also mentioned that you are able to change this during a purchase, and you can do that during checkout. So if you're currently about to make a purchase while you're in a different country, you'll be able to change the country and region as well, and you'll be able to change your region and country. Here's basically what they mentioned, that you can do it via the Steam support. So there's a guide. You can go to help, you can go to Steam support account, manage your account details, and you can update your country. They also mentioned here, if you're doing this via a purchase, they also mentioned that you're able to change this while making a purchase with a payment method from that new country. So if you're in that new country, while making the payment, you'll be able to change or update your store region during the checkout process, right? Another important thing they mention is that if you're using a VPN, which some people may say that, okay, you can use a VPN and you're able to change your country or region by connecting to a VPN to a different country, and you're able to open Steam and it's going to detect and you're going to change your currency. While that is true, guys, it also mentions here that you may need to verify this. So as it says here, Steam may require your local payment method from that country or region, or address and postal code to verify the change. So not only that you will use a VPN, it will require either that payment method from that country. So for example, I'm living in Europe, I would need to have a US card or a US bank account and an address and postal code that I can use to basically verify the change. So keep these things in mind, guys. I'm going to scroll on a bit and you'll be able to see more details here. You can pause the video at any point in time and just get a deeper read into what you can see here, or you can just simply Google this for yourself, how to change Steam currency. Once you do that, you'll get all the valuable information that you need to be able to change your Steam currency. I hope you found this useful, guys, and I hope you found this valuable. And if you do, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and thank you guys for watching, and wish you all the best. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.